at the zoo. This is so great.
Thanks for bringing us here, Dad.
Look at the lion. He's fast asleep.
He reminds me of Jayashree, always sleeping.
And what about the rhino? He looks just like Jaideep when he gets grumpy. I'm so hungry.
Oh, it's nearly time for lunch. Jaideep, why don't you take your sister to the refreshment stand?
He looks so gentle.
Seems like you really like the elephant, JC. You can spend 10 more minutes here if you like. We'll be waiting at the refreshment stand for you.
You are an interesting boy. Have you ever heard of Magda?
No? What is that?
It was a powerful kingdom, the most important Mahajanapada, that grew in about 200 years. My great-grandfather used to tell me stories about Magda when I was very small.
Why was it so important? Did it have treasure?
It had some beautiful forests, and the rivers Ganga and Son flowed through Magda, which made the land very fertile.
But how did your great-grandfather know this? You are from Mumbai.
My family originally comes from Magda. At that time, elephants from the forest were captured and trained for use in the army.
What about weapons?
Magda had quite a few iron ore mines. This iron was used to make very strong weapons and tools.
Wow! Magadha sounds pretty cool. What else did they make?
Well, at that time wooden chariots were used for transportation, and that was made using forest wood.
Tell me, Raju, if Magadha was so important, then it must have also had important rulers.
Indeed it did. Magda had some very powerful rulers like Bimbisara, Ajatshatru and Mahapadmananda.
I bet no one could be as powerful as me if I were a king.
I think that would be difficult. Bimbisara and Ajatshatru used all their power to try and capture more Mahajanapadas, and Mahapadmananda's control extended till northwest India. Do you know Alexander the Great?
You mean the ruler from Europe who conquered parts of Egypt and West Asia?
Yes, he tried to conquer India, but Magda was so powerful that he could not get past the banks of Beas.
Sounds like Jaideep. He tries to boss everyone around.
Rajgriha, or what we now call Rajgir in Bihar, was the capital of Magda for several years. It was later shifted to Patliputra, which you know as Patna.
Were there any powerful kingdoms beside Magadha?
Vaji was the most important Mahajanapada after Magadha.
What was special about Vajji?
It had a very different form of government called a Gana or Sangha. It consisted of not one but many rulers.
Many rulers. I wonder if they ever fought.
Actually, they all made decisions together. That is what made them so strong.
Stronger than Bimbisara and Ajatasattu.
The Digha Nikaya says that Ajatshatru tried to capture Vaji. He even asked the Buddha for advice. The Buddha said that as long as the Vajis acted together and followed rules, their kingdom would prosper.
You remember a lot.
People think that elephants are dumb creatures, but they forget we have an amazing memory.
Really? What else do you remember, Raju?
I remember that both the Buddha and Mahavira were part of a Sangha. Many rulers tried conquering the Sanghas, but it was the Guptas who were finally successful.
So Magadha and Vajji were very powerful Mahajanapadas. But today I bet Mumbai is very powerful.
I think your 10 minutes are over. You should go eat. Your parents are waiting for you.
It was fun talking to you. Watching you eat all those bananas has made me hungry too. See you.